Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft Teams app files and chats to new device, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring Microsoft Teams app files and chats to your new device, ensure both devices are connected to the internet. On your old device, open the Microsoft Teams app and sign in with your account. Once signed in, navigate to the Files tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see all the files stored in Teams. Locate the files you wish to transfer. For easy access, download these files to your local storage by clicking the three dots next to each file. Select Download and wait for the files to save to your device. Now, switch to your new device and install the Microsoft Teams app, if you haven't already. Log in using the same account credentials you used on the old device. Upon logging in, go to the Files tab again. This time, click on Upload to add the files you downloaded from the old device. Select the files you wish to upload and click Open. The chosen files will begin uploading to Teams, making them accessible on your new device. Next, for chats, you should note that Microsoft Teams automatically syncs your chat history across devices. So, simply open the chat section on your new device to view your previous conversations. If you need specific chat messages saved as files, copy the desired messages. Then, paste them into a document or a note-taking app on your new device. For any important meetings or team communications, check your calendar in Teams. All scheduled meetings and conversations will also be accessible on your new device. In case you have any customized settings or preferences, you may need to adjust those manually on your. Finally, ensure everything is in order by reviewing your files and chats on Microsoft Teams. You are now set up and ready to use Microsoft Teams on your new device with all essential files and chat history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.